Hey friends, if you encounter EFS fatal error, blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult to resolve. The first solution is to update the drivers and update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then click on recovery. Click on open system restore. Okay, select system protection. Make sure that a system restore point has been created. So click on turn on system protection. Click on apply and then on OK. Click on create. Write test. Click on create and then click on this option for OK. Wait, this is just creating the restore point. It needs a while. Once this is done, we will show you how the system is restored. So this has to be done at an earlier point, not at the time of restoring the system. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a go to restore point. Click on next, click on finish and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.